Today I am going to show you some basic Fibo strategies we often use.
Before continuing this video, join my Telegram channel and follow me on Facebook. Links below description.
Monthly time frame resistance break. Price reacted to Fibo entry zone. You can get Fibo full setting by watching this video. Video link will be description below. Another resistance break. Price reacted to Fibo first entry zone and also second entry zone as well. Daily time frame, it's hidden engulfing. One big candle breaks by two opposite candles. Price reacted to Fibo entry zone. 4-hour time frame resistance break. Price reacted to Fibo entry zone. "30-minute time frame hidden engulfing. Price reacted to first and second entry zones. "15 minutes time frame Dominen breaks. One big candle breaking by three or more opposite candles. Price reacted to Fibo entry zone. Practice 100 times to get experience and knowledge.
This is probably the last time you see me. So, subscribe me for more tutorials in the future.